Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Argenx. This is ticker ARGX. Now, this is an ADR, so just be aware it does trade overseas and it can be a little gappy at times. But this is a stock that's held up pretty nicely in an uptrend during the recent market volatility. You know, we had the SPY pull well under the 50-day moving average. It did retrace, but ARGX held up above most of their key moving averages, especially the 21-day key moving average here, recently showing a pretty clear level of support at that 21-day. Now, it also has some pretty clear resistance. We have resistance here, and you can see how it slammed into that downward sloping trend line. And so I want to see this make a higher high and get above this level here. So I would have an alert on Argenx at around 929 and look for a move through 929 coming on volume. Now, if that happens and you get a nice close above 929, I think that is an actionable trade with a swing stop down right under $886. That's just near that 21-day EMA. Now, that would be a stop just to start. Eventually, you'd want to move up that stop as the trade works in your favor, but that is just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope it's helpful, and I'll see you next time.